Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
We are pleased to show you the 2021 Yukon. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, running boards, active grille shutters, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler. Inside you'll find airbags, front, center, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cargo area 115-volt power outlet, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, multifunction display, child safety locks.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.